Hi, Jared Santos here of the Coach PH. Remember to click the subscribe button to be updated with our latest videos.
Today we will talk about the Citicore Energy REIT or CREIT. CREIT was finally listed today, February 22, 2022. The IPO price was 2.55 pesos per share. It opened at 2.78. It had a high of 2.94, had a low of 2.71, and closed at 2.84. Here are the reasons why I got CREIT. Well, number one, there's a renewable energy theme happening. The energy sector is very strong. We can see this in the US. There is a 7% dividend yield projection for 2022. And of course, there's earnings growth for CREIT. These are the top reasons why I got CREIT. When you look at the US market, you look at XLE, it is obviously stronger than the market. It is stronger than S&P. Locally, you see SPNEC. When SPNEC had its IPO, it had a successful run. And we can see that the energy theme is really intact. Look at Nickel Asia, very, very strong now. One of the catalysts was the high commodity price, which is nickel. And also, the management said that they were going to expand their renewable energy business. Aboitiz Power is also strong, stronger than the market, stronger than PSEI. SCC is also in the energy theme, stronger than PSEI. You see the energy theme intact, and that is why I got CREIT. Let's go to my objectives prior to the trade or prior to the listing day. So I really had an objective of trading the IPO. Although the dividend yield was pretty high at 7%, I wasn't getting the CREIT for investment purposes. I was really getting it to trade it. I was ready to cut with the loss in case CREIT falls below the IPO price. I was also ready with selling strategies in case the price is above the IPO price. Here's proof that I was allocated shares in CREIT. Here are my order entries and they were all filled. Even prior to the market, I already placed the 2.94 selling order, which was in turn the high for the day. I would say that I couldn't have guessed it. Okay, I was really just looking at the orders pre-market. I divided the selling entries into 3 tranches. My first order was matched at 2.81. It was sold there. The second order was 2.94. And then that was filled. And then I put a stop limit for the last tranche and it was hit at 2.86. I was already out of the trade. Let's talk about the net gain for CREIT. My cost was at the IPO price, 2.55. My average selling price for the 3 tranches was 2.87. The gross gain was 12.55%. Less commissions, you have a net gain of 11.54%. This is how CREIT closed in the daily chart. When you look at the 5-minute chart, this is how it looks like now. So, what if it goes up tomorrow or the next day or this week? Would I feel bad? Of course not. I would have no regrets because prior to the trade, I already knew my objective. My objective was reached. I closed the trade with a significant profit for just one day. That's already good enough for me. In case the price goes up, I would just wait for another setup and I would treat it as a new stock, something that I haven't invested or traded before.
Remember to pound that like button if you learned something new today. If you have any questions in this video, please feel free to comment below. Thank you for watching. Click the subscribe button and see you on our next video. God bless you!